Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandu Prashant. So in this video, I am going to show you some of the best free websites to learn the complete VLSI from RTL to GDS Pro. So these are not random websites, these are trusted by students, professors and even industry experts. So I will open each website and explain what exactly you can learn from it. So if you can follow along so easily, okay, if you can see the video till end. So let's start with the first one. Okay, the first website is HTL Bits. Okay, this website is mainly for practicing Verilog coding. Here, you won't see any long explanations. Instead, you will see a lot of problems. Okay, so you have to write a Verilog code for each problem set, and the website will automatically check your answer. Okay, so let me show you one simple example. So for example, these are the topics. Let me click on very long language. So these are the problem sets. If you click on any problem set, 9 to 1 multiplexer. Okay, so just click on this problem set and based upon the hint, you have to write the solution here and click on submit. The website will automatically check your answer. Okay, if you can scroll, you can see the topics from basic gates to combination circuit, sequential, FSMs, etc. This is mainly focusing on front-end design and RTL coding skills. If you are a beginner, this is one of the best places to start practicing the Verilog. Okay, and second website this is a very well-known platform in India. So that is NPTEL. Okay, so where IIT professors teach complete courses. So when you open any particular course, you will see the video lectures, assignments, and sometimes you also get a certificate when you attend for an examination. So you will find the courses on various VLSI design topics like digital electronics. So it is one of the course related to VLSI. That is VLSI design flow RTL to GDS offered by IIT Delhi. Okay, it is a 12-week course, and here you can get a lecture notes, okay, and video lectures and all these things for free. And the next related course is hardware modeling using Verilog offered by IIT Kharagpur. And next type of Verilog course related to VLSI physical design offered by IIT Kharagpur. And next course is analog IC design offered by IIT Madras. So like this, there are n number of courses are available for free. So in NPTEL, this is a well-known platform in India. This is one of the most trusted platforms for core engineering learning in India. Okay, this website is mainly for theory and strong fundamentals. Okay, and next website is chipverify.com. So you can see the URL also here, chipverify.com. Here you can this website is mainly focusing on these type of courses: digital design, Verilog, system Verilog, EPM, RTL, synthesis verification, format, chip verify lab also there. So let me open the lab. So this is the lab offered by them, and here so you can write your design code here, you can write your test bench code here, and after that you can simulate. Okay, so if you can get a simulation result, this result also, this is one of the lab offered in chipverify.com. Here you can have the different tutorials on digital design, Verilog, system Verilog, UPM, etc. And if you open any topic, you will see the explanations along with the code examples. It covers things like data types, test benches, advanced verification concepts also. So this is very useful if you are preparing for any VLSI interview. There are almost 7 courses available, 700 plus examples also there. Okay, you have also a lab. Okay, so okay, and which supports different kinds of languages like Verilog, system Verilog, etc. It is very helpful for students who want to move into verification and design engineer roles. It is also one of the best websites. And next website is CMOSVLSI.com. So CMOSVLSI.com, you can find the URL also here. And where you can find the topics related to CMOS design, logic gates and transistor level concepts. So if you can open the lecture slide, these are the topics we have covered. Where you get a PPT and a PDF also. Introduction, design flow, okay, simulation, circuit families, design for testability, YX scaling, etc. And if you can open PDF also, it will going to open the PDF also. Okay, So okay, and next one, some labs also there, spice level simulations and related content, spice and Verilog code, and the labs also there. You can practice it. Okay, you can download it and you can practice. So this is useful for building strong core knowledge in VLSI. This is useful if you want to understand the physics behind the digital circuits. Okay, and next website is Open Course. Okay, this is not exactly a learning website like others. So here you will find a real hardware design projects. Okay, so you will find a different IP course here. Let me open. So for this you have to log into your details. So I already logged in into my account. So first of all you have to register. They will send the username and password to your email ID. Then you can log in and access the different IP course available here. So these are all real hardware design projects. We can different course here. So most of the projects are designed using either Verilog or VSDA. You can just let me for sample I can open one. So cellular automata PRNC. Okay. So here language is Verilog. Okay, they have developed using Verilog, and you can just download it, and after that you can study how the real designs are implemented. This is very useful for final year students who want to do a major project, and this is also useful for your resume building. Also, you can analyze the various type of real hardware design projects here. And next one I will open another project. So those who have marked as done, you can open those projects. Okay, and for various projects are there. Okay, so Viterbi HTL code generator. So let me open this. So okay, so it is right in VHDL like that. You can download it and analyze it. Okay, like that there are n number of project cores available. Next, coprocessor. Okay, DSP core, memory core, SoC, system on chip. Okay, so if you can open here, next 186 SoC TC. Okay, here they have developed using Verilog language. You can just download it. Okay, and after that analyze. Like that is one of the best website. And next one is edaplayground.com. For this also you have to register. While registering, you have to register using your college mail ID or industry mail ID. Then only it will going to work. Okay, after registration, you will get an username and password. From that you can access. Here you can write your design code. Here and here you can write your test bench code. Here there is an option. You can select different types of tools here. So Cadence, Cilium, and Siemens Pasta Sim tools, Synopsys, VCS, all these are the RTL compiler tools, and these are the free simulators and UOCs also. So it won't do any kind of synthesis as of now. So it will give you only simulation result waveform. Okay, if you click on, if you tick this box, open EP wave after run, then you will get an simulation result. Okay, so this website is very structured. Okay, and it is one of the online simulation tool. So where you can run the different language. Here you can have the flexibility to okay, choose your language also. System Verilog, HCL, Python. Okay, Perl also. Okay, it is one of the scripting language. So you can see the editor windows like this, and you can just simulate. Okay, so you can see different simulators and test your code instantly. So this is mainly useful for practicing and testing your code quickly, right? And next website is verification guide. This website is very structured for learning system Verilog and UPM mainly. System Verilog and UPM. So let me open system Verilog tutorial. You have a concepts from introduction to assertions, system Verilog, okay, array manipulation methods and everything. Topics are arranged step by step from basics to advanced. And here you can get quizzes also. System Verilog quiz 1, quiz 2. So you can write the quizzes also. So it is one of the very structured website. So each concept is explained with simple examples here. So if you can see examples also available, interview questions. Okay, for any topic. Okay, so fixed size arrays. So here you can have an examples. Okay, so it is mainly focusing on the test benches and verification techniques. So mainly focusing on verification side. So it is a part of front-end design. It is very useful for beginners who want a clear path in verification. And next one is MIT, MIT Open Courseware, ocw.mit.edu. So I have highlighted the URL. So there are various courses are available here, but this is a global level platform. Here you can get MIT courses, materials like lecture notes, videos, and assignments also. Here you can find the courses related to VLSI. So let me type here VLSI. So let me check whether there are any courses related to VLSI in MIT. So if you can see here, semiconductor manufacturing, micro nano processing technology, introduction to numerical solutions, so computer architecture, microelectronic devices and circuits. There are various courses, circuits and electronics. Let me open this one, microelectronic devices and circuits. See here, you are getting lecture notes here, you are having assignments here, you are having some readings here. So, and you can download the option called as download course also. So you have a lecture note. Let me open lecture. So all these are the lecture notes. Okay. So, but it is in a global level platform, and this content is a bit advanced, but very high quality content. So if you want a deep understanding, this is one of the best resources. Okay. And the next website is systemverilog.io. Okay, this is a modern website. So with a very clean and simple examples where you can find a number of articles. Okay, system Verilog macros tutorial. So where you can find an articles basically. So you will see a clean articles explaining concepts in simple and concise way. So it have many topics like interfaces, assertions, and verification techniques, etc. This is very useful for revision and interview preparation. Just consists of an articles. Okay, and next one is physicaldesignforyou.com. physicaldesignforyou.com. This website is mainly focusing on the backend design. So see here, PD, power planning, placement, clock change, STA, digital circuits, interview questions, etc. So here you will find topics particularly in backend flow. Explanations, all the explanations are simple and beginner friendly. Let me open for planning. Okay, what is for planning? Okay, let me open this. So if you can see the simple definitions. Okay, for planning is an art of any physical design. Okay, so it is before going to make for planning, make sure that these are the inputs for planning. Okay, so and the for planning parameters, what is macro placement, types of macros, and everything they have written in a very simple way, simple and easiest way. Okay, so this is mainly focusing on backend, not front end. So if you are interested in physical design, this is a good starting point. And last one, last but not least, that is asicworld.com. So this is the 11th website, I think. So asicworld.com. So asicworld.com is a classical website that provides tutorials on digital, Verilog, system Verilog, and system C, PSDL, scripting, etc. Let me open one. This is also beginner friendly and easy to follow. Verilog. You can get a tutorials here, examples. All these are the tutorials. Okay, all these are the examples. Tools also. List of tools they have. Okay, iCarus, Verilog, free simulators also they have mentioned. Okay, and it is a classical website actually. So let me open. Okay, this scripting. So scripting tutorials. You have a tickle here. So how to write and make file. Perl also there. Tickle tutorials. Okay. So scripting also. Okay. How to do what is variable, how to do the declaration and all these things. TCL tickle basics also there. Tool command language. It is one of the scripting language actually. So and another one I will show you. Next system Verilog. So tutorials. So Verilog in one day, Verilog consists like this. There are so many examples and tutorials. So when you open it, you can see this clear topics. Simple with examples and explanations. Anyway, you can go through this website. So these are some of the best free websites I have found to learn the complete VLSI. If you use them in a right way, so you don't need to spend money on expensive courses. So if you found this video useful, share it with your friends. So let me give you an overall view of websites that I have discussed in this video. These are the 11 websites I have discussed. First one is HTL based Second one is NPTEL. Third one is verify.com. Fourth one is CMOSVLSI.com or CMOSVLSIdesign.com. Fifth one is Open Course. Next one EDAplayground.com. Next verificationguide.com. Eighth one ocw.mit.edu. Next one systemverilog.io. Next one physicaldesignforyou.com. Next asicworld.com. And all these are the websites I have discussed and turning up to now. If you found this video useful, share it with your friends, and for more VLSI content like that, make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, so take care, goodbye.